Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand refrigerator and you're trying to change the temperature display from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius back to Fahrenheit, whichever you want to do. And so this is a real simple thing. I'm going to show you how to do it. But just first, before I do that, I just want to say one thing is that depending on the LG refrigerator you have, this can be presented, this display can be presented a little bit differently. You see I've got the freezer and the refrigerator buttons circled there. They're right next to each other. They can be instead of being next to each other, they can be one over top of the other, depending on the model. But what you need to do is the same. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to push and hold both of those, the refrigerator and the freezer button. Push them simultaneously at the same time and hold them for about 5 seconds, and it will toggle back and forth between Fahrenheit and Celsius, so you can do whichever one you want. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.